My field site for the last 30 years has been the Serengeti of East Africa, and these animals are perfect for what I study, which is stress. Stress and health, stress and disease. And the reason why this is interesting to me in terms of medical research and all of that is nobody is dying of smallpox anymore. Nobody is dying of dengue fever or the Black Plague. What we have the luxury of right now is dying of diseases where our bodies slowly fall apart on us over 60, 70, 80 years. And these are diseases of westernized lifestyle, heart disease, cancer, diabetes, all of these diseases where instead of going in 2 days fever, you spend 50, 60 years having to make the right decisions and perhaps making the wrong ones. And what we see is most of these diseases that do us in these days in the West, these diseases of slowly falling apart over time, these are diseases that could be caused by or be made worse by stress. So I'm very interested in this issue of why do some individuals' bodies and some individuals' psyches deal better with stress than others? And these are the perfect animals on Earth to study, just because how unlovable they are. Okay, stress. Stress means something very specific if you are a normal animal. You are a zebra, a lion has leapt out, has ripped your stomach open, your intestines are dragging in the dust, and you still need to get out of there. This is stress. Or you're that lion who is half starved to death, and if you don't manage to chase down the zebra, you are not going to survive. A short-term physical crisis. And your body has a stress response, then you secrete all sorts of hormones, and I will not torture you with their names, but what that's meant to do is to save your life if you were that zebra or that lion. You mobilize energy to whichever muscles are working. Your blood pressure and heart rate increases so you could deliver it faster. You turn off all of the long-term building projects because you don't know yet if there is a long-term. You shut down growth, you shut down tissue repair, you shut down reproduction. This is an expensive, optimistic thing to be doing with your body. And basically, you're running for your life. There's a lion 2 steps behind you. You know, ovulate some other time. Don't do it right now. Hit puberty tomorrow, not right now. Make sperm some other day. Do it later if there is a later. Your mind, your cognition temporarily gets much sharper. Your immune system works better. This is perfect. Exactly what you want to do if you were a zebra or a lion. And when you get to us, though, you have the problem of us turning on stress responses, not because of lions, but because of psychological craziness, because of psychosocial factors. Because what we do is we turn on the exact same stress response as a zebra running for its life, and we turn it on for traffic jams every day. We turn it on for psychological stress, which we experience for long periods, and if you experience for long periods, you're going to get sick. Constantly mobilize energy, there's some metabolic diseases you are more at risk for. Constantly increase your blood pressure, obviously diseases there. Constantly shut down growth, tissue repair, reproductive physiology. You're going to get into trouble all these ways. What my laboratory has spent the last 25 years doing is studying how one class of stress hormones can kill some of your brain cells. Bad news. So we've got this issue here. If you are going to be like a normal mammal, you had better be able to turn on the stress response when you're running for your life. If you're going to be some smart, sophisticated primate, you're going to be turning it on too long, too often, and it's going to impact your health.